Even Judge Dredd, the iron hand of the law, can falter. This is the rare case where Dredd himself is put on trial, not for failing the law, but for letting his humanity break through it. At a disciplinary hearing, Dredd is accused of assaulting a fellow judge. The charge is serious, enough that Judge Winslow demands it be heard before the Council of Five. But Chief Judge Magruder overrules, saying it's an internal matter. When asked for his plea, Dredd simply answers, guilty. Magruder presses him for an explanation, and Dredd recounts what happens in Bad Durand Block. On patrol, he encounters Bonnie Grice, a young girl whose life had been destroyed in a chemical accident. Her body was ruined beyond saving, but doctors preserved her brain and placed it into a crude machine body. Her parents, desperate and drowning in debt, chose this path to keep their daughter alive. Seeing their struggle, Dredd intervened, securing advanced treatment at the city's expense. For a time, it worked. Bonnie's mind grew clearer, and she was overjoyed at the chance of a normal life. But when she returned home, the other children recoiled in fear. They called her a freak. Heartbroken, Bonnie fled into the street, where she was struck and killed. Back in the present, Judge Winslow sneered that the city's money had been wasted on no-account Jews. It was too much. Dredd's fury boiled over. He lashed out, striking Winslow in front of his peers. Chief Judge Magruder weighed the case. Dredd's actions were reckless, but his record of service and the tragedy of the Grices carried weight. The charges were dismissed, yet Magruder insisted on one final condition. Dredd would undergo a psychomatic test to prove he was still fit to wear the badge. This story reminds us, even the most unshakable judge can't escape the weight of compassion and the cost of losing control.